this instructional video, I will demonstrate the process of creating a private channel on Telegram. To begin, access the Telegram app and tap on the contact icon located on the upper right corner. Select the third option, New Channel, and then tap on Create. Assign a suitable name for your channel and choose the channel type as private. Copy the generated channel link and proceed to the next step. Optionally, you can add specific individuals to your channel by selecting them from your contacts. Upon completion, your private channel will be created, and you can begin utilizing it for secure communication.